French artist Guillaume Robert, while talking to News Pakistan TV, has informed that he was invited here by Karachi Biennale and the Alliance Française AFK to participate in an exposition featuring works of 140 artists from all over the world. During his sojourn here, Robert has created a piece of art on the rooftop of AFK that says "Up to the Big Eye." He said there were other ideas too, but due to time restriction, only this project was feasible. It insinuates an upward movement and could be deciphered in many different ways. For instance, astonishment when pupils of eyes dilate. Informing that his major medium was film, he told that he had worked in countries with coastlines on the Mediterranean Sea such as Bosnia, Algeria and Greece. He's also screening one of his videos during the Biennale about a mini hydroelectricity generating gadget in Bosnia. He said that also reminded the Yugoslavia war. Guillaume Robert will also be presenting 9 plans of watchtowers, mirador, that he had observed in Algeria. He said the post of observation also reflected the theme of the Biennale, to witness.